Hey guys, let's head on over to the Ida auction house and check out what they have. Let's do a little sneak peek. Hey, this is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh, the #1 mowers and blowers on YouTube. Thank you for your support. Hey, we're out here at the Ida auction house and we're gonna see what's going on with the little Sneaka Peeka. Got some little toys here. These things cost a lot of money in the store. And what's in the back of there? Nice. Wild thing, you make my heart sing. Looks like that chain seen some better days. It's rusted right on there. Good it had that Oregon on there. Yeah. It's a Poulan. That's French. Wild thing, 40cc, 18-inch. Looks like it's seen better days. What else we got out here? Oh, look at this little neat little box. All kinds of little treasures in there. Got another little Poulan chainsaw. That's a model P3314. So that's interesting. Alright. Ooh, lots of shelves. Too bad I already got enough. I would have been interested. There's a little trolling motor. That comes in handy. Wonder if that works. Be nice. Alright. What do we got? What are we looking at? So we got this lawn boy here. And I'm not sure I've seen one like that one lately. But this looks like it has that aluminum deck on there. So those are always nice. What do we got? So this Medallion series, self-propelled lawn boy. Almost like that. I think I've seen this before, like on a Toro. Next to it, we have a Troy built and a yard machine. That Troy built is promising, but look at these. They wore those down, right down to nothing. So, but it does have a bag on it. Wonder how that one is. Let's see if we can pull it over real fast, because this is going to be a fast one. Go for it. Well, we tried. Let's see if any of these other ones pull. It pulls over though. Yard machine. There we go. We have a runner there. A little bit of vibration going on. Let's see if this one pulls over. Well, you can see that needs some little fixing going on. But 1 out of 3 run. Then what do we got up here? Another chainsaw, some blowers. Another Poulan Pro, that's French. Craftsman. Got a couple little goodies going on here. Nice tires. Well, that probably goes with that. They'll probably sell it separate. Make you buy both pieces. A Remington? You guys ever see these Remingtons? Craftsman? Alright, we'll see if we can keep it under 5 minutes here. What else we got? Got this Husky there. We've seen this one before. That one must have not sold. So what was in this one, remember? Needed work, and remember that muffler sticking out the side? So if somebody bought that, they've returned it or trying to flip it over. That's a nice cabinet. Got some barn doors on it. What's in all these goodie boxes? Oh, got some good stuff in there. Shoot, they'll probably sell for $1, which this tote is worth more than $1. And you know what? That's a Walgreens tote. I can tell. Property of Walgreens right there. So those aren't free. Hey, well, alright guys. That was our Sneaka Peeka. Oh, what was this? How did I miss this? It's a nice little crawler. Usually this stuff's all ripped up. But that one looks in pretty good shape. Alright, oh, what's next to it? Ooh, look at the Scots right here. And look at this. That'll make your stripes right there, baby. Alright, the Sneaka Peeka's over. Go back to work. Hey, there's a lot of good stuff at that Ida auction house. Hey, alright, we'll see you next time. We'll see you at the auction. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh.